Fool's gold. Money is. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Welcome to day 1558 of What You Up To Now. Would have been a better filter for Supersize Your Business with the gold drippings. But of course, I picked a different one. That's okay. So today, some days, have you ever noticed some days it's easy to talk and communicate, and other days you're just tripping over your tongue and stuff? I'm having one of those tripping over my tongue days. I guess I have those not very often, but I do have them. Today seems to be one of them. Fool's gold was our idiom for Supersize Your Business today. And I talked about how iron pyrite, no, this is actually amethyst, not iron pyrite, has been mistaken by inexperienced people or inexperienced miners since the 1840s, probably even sooner, believing that it's gold because it looks like gold, right? Iron pyrite, iron disulfide looks like gold. It's sparkly. It's a crystal that's sparkly and can resemble gold, especially when it's in rock. So miners in the 1840s were all excited because they thought they found gold, only to find out that it was iron pyrite, not gold, which was at that time worthless. And so they were disappointed. They were fooled into thinking something was real, but it was not of the same quality as gold. So fool's gold means when you think or believe that something looks like a good thing or it's going to work out, and the chances are really slim to none that it's going to work out successfully or of a good quality. So we talked about that and how does that apply to our businesses, and who we listen to, who we follow. Are we following people that are credible and have experience, or are we following people that are saying that they're credible and they have experience, but they really don't? And they're teaching us something that they really don't have the experience, knowledge, or wisdom to teach us. Are we looking for shortcuts and hacks and cheats and cheat sheets and things to grow and build and supersize our business? Or are we building our business on the core foundation of our values, our core values, our principles, our beliefs, our mission, our purpose, and what we want to contribute to the world? If we do that, if we keep those things in mind, it makes making decisions and choices easy for our business, and we're less likely to fall for the fakers, the false prophets and things that are out there trying to teach us something in terms of how to grow and how to build our business, or specific pieces that we're trying to learn in order to grow and supersize and build our business. So that was our idiom today. Our topic for the annual challenge, the BU 365-day challenge, to do one thing every day that improves us, was and is money is an exchange of value. We talked about money is blank. What's money to you? And we've been covering that over the last couple of days. We spent a whole day on our money thoughts, brainstorming those. We spent a day on pulling out of those our beliefs and then deciding, is that really a belief that I want to keep moving forward? Or is that a belief that might be conflicting with something else and slowing my progress in terms of creating what it is that I want financially or with respect to money or abundance in my life? We're going to be focusing on financial well-being the entire month of May. This whole month, this segment is financial well-being, and we're talking about different topics around that. And we'll do the SOAP framework. We go through the SOAP framework every month based on the 9 areas of life framework: physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, financial, relationships, contribution. And I added confidence and communication last year because I was doing a year-long coaching program, and they're on me to re-up for that, and I am undecided, but probably leaning toward not. Did I get some value out of that program? Absolutely. But it was a lot of just reinforcing things that I've known and done already. And so, is that worth the money, the exchange of value to me? People that have never been exposed to this content, great, very valuable. But if you've been exposed to it over and over again, because I'm pretty, up there in years and experience, is it the best use of my resources? That's the question we always want to be asking ourselves. Is this an investment in me, my personal development, my growth, my business, where I'm going in the future? Or is it just more of the same? And if it's more of the same, and I found that as I read a lot, even with bad vision, I read a lot or listen to a lot of books, and I find that you start to see and hear the same information over and over and over again. And is that because you need to pull a lesson out of that? Is that because other people are just hearing it for the first time and get all excited about it and write a new book about it? I think there's a lot of that goes on, because a lot of the true foundational ways to be successful, things that work in the world, ways to be a good human being, They've been around since the beginning of time. We just put a different spin and different name on them. And I do that too. You know, the whole SOAP framework is, it's not really different than any other change process that any other person could come up with. And it is because it's different and unique in the way I present it and the tools I share with it is. But really, almost everything in the world can be broken down to a 4 or 5 step process. Everything, anything. And you can add more steps to make it more complicated. You really can't reduce steps. There's, pretty much ask, believe, receive, I would say inspired action. Ask, believe, inspired action, receive. But that's just me. 4 step process, right? Anything we want to change, anything we want to create in the world. We can make these complicated, and I've been involved with literally thousands of businesses that have super simple strategic growth plans, or the most complicated computer generated plans and mind maps and project mapping on the planet, right? And the more people, I find there seems to be a direct relationship between the number of people involved in a business and the overcomplication of things. And the businesses that are super successful are those that add the people and the resources that they need in the systems, but also keep it simple and keep a simple strategy going through their growth and development. All right, that's all I've got today. Friday in my neck of the woods. I hope you have an awesome weekend. I will be here popping in every day just to document and share what I'm working on. If I can help you in any way, just ask. Please ask. I love the 5-minute little meetings I get to have with people where we just talk about where they're stuck, what they need to do, and we get them clear on their next step, just their next step in 5 minutes or less. You can get one of those for free by just boxing me or direct message me and asking, and we'll set up 5 minutes. Because you know what? I can find 5 minutes for anybody that's willing to put forth the effort to actually keep moving and progressing in their life. All right, have an awesome day, and I'll be with you tomorrow.